In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Substack. Whether you're an aspiring writer or just looking to share your thoughts with the world, Substack offers a fantastic platform to reach your audience. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to substack.com. This is the hub where all the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Create Account button. This step initiates your journey into becoming a Substack creator, so it's an exciting milestone. Next, you'll be prompted to select interests that align with your passions. This part personalizes your Substack experience, tailoring content to what excites you the most. Once you've made your selections, simply click on Continue to move forward. Now you'll be introduced to creators you might like. Maybe you'll find some inspiration for your own Substack here. Take a moment to browse and then click Subscribe and Continue on a creator's page that piques your interest. You'll then be asked to enter your email address. This step is crucial as it ensures you're creating a personalized, secure account. Don't forget to agree to the terms of use. It's a standard procedure for starting your publishing journey. After agreeing to the terms, click on Subscribe and join Substack. You're almost ready to start creating. Next up, you'll need to enter your name. This is how other users will identify you on the platform. Following that, enter a unique handle. Your handle is like your digital signature, so choose something that represents you well. You're getting closer. Now, it's time to write a bio. This is your chance to tell others a little about yourself. What drives you, your interests, and what they can expect from your Substack. Once your bio is in place, click on Continue. Substack then gives you the option to download their app for convenient access on the go. While not mandatory, it can make managing and accessing your content that much easier. If you choose to download the app, you'll follow the simple prompts provided. Otherwise, just click Continue to proceed. Finally, with all these steps completed, click on Start Reading. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Substack and are ready to explore, read, and eventually start creating your own posts. By following these steps, you've ventured into a rich digital writing community. Substack not only offers a launching pad for writers, but also a community of readers and creators with whom you can share your ideas. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Substack.